It's just a simple floor cleaner and it's only 2 ingredients. There's like a simple one and then there's a more complicated one depending on your needs. The simple one is a cup of water and 1/2 a teaspoon of Dr. Bronners. I have my recipe book here. Highly recommend. That way you don't have to like look stuff up again. So yeah, this is very easy to do. So I have my 1 cup of water ready to go. And I put it in this type of container.
What, plastic?
Yes, it is. This is an old nut container that I had like a year ago before I tried to get off of plastic so much. I have this because it's perfect for my method, which I'll go over. I'll demonstrate my method of cleaning floors later. But first we're making it. 1 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of Dr. Bronners. This is what it looks like. I don't like a lot of scents. This is good for me because the scent of this is tea tree, so I don't have to add anything to it for it to smell nice.
Is that it?
Yeah. Isn't this like the fastest thing you can make on your own? Like, why not do this on your own? I have this guy, which is very convenient. I wanted a more like eco-friendly alternative. For me, the scent of the pads that come with this are like, they would give me a headache because they're too fragrant. So I like this because it's more natural and I can make it myself. When I run out, I can just make it. It's super easy. And then these are nice too because then you don't have to go out and buy more. You can reuse it. An optional ingredient that you could use is olive oil. This is for wood. It helps moisturize the wood, safe to use, and you would use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Some optional ingredients are essential oils for scent. If you do tea tree oil, I would recommend no more than 5 drops for this amount because it's very potent. You have your floor cleaner, now what? This is another part I will demonstrate because there's a lot more to it. I just dip it in here. This is why I like this big container because my hand fits in here and I can get my rag soaked. This is going to take place of my little cleaning pad that usually goes on this. I got a rag. I know they make some that actually are reusable and go on here, but I mean it's a rag, like, and it fits. So like, you clean, like. Now this is dirty. It's pretend time. Well, if I was still have more cleaning to do, I'd probably put it there for now until I go and clean it later. And then I don't put it back in here when I need more because that would contaminate this. So I would get a new one, dip it in, repeat. So with the dirty ones, what I do is I take them to the sink or bathtub and then I get some soap. I rinse them out so that way they're not super gross in my washing machine. And I give them like a little bit of cleaning. I'll hang it dry. I have like a little towel rack that I'll like hang it dry over. And when it's dry and partially clean, that's when I put it in the laundry. Then I wash them in the laundry and then they're back to here. So it's a closed cycle. It's really nice.
Yeah, better for the environment.
Yeah. That's my method for cleaning floors. I don't feel like there's a lot of videos online past the making it part. It's like, you made it, but like, how do you practically do everything else to keep up with it? Hopefully that's helpful. That's what I do. If you have any recommendations or somebody knows something about floor cleaning, feel free to comment below, like whatever tips and tricks you have. You could also put this in a spray bottle and like spray the floor. Whatever works for you. This is what I like because it's easy and I could store this for a little while. I don't know if this expires or not. I can't imagine it does because it's just soap and water. I think if you were to put olive oil in it though, it would be more like one-time use. It depends on how much you clean your floor.